Number 1. A 1984 GMC 2500 long bed out of Big Fork, Montana. This square-body V8 workhorse is a classic in the making. It's got an automatic transmission, hydraulic tail lift, and just 11,503 miles, though the odometer's rolled over it clean inside, mostly original outside, and priced right at $4,500, a perfect base for restoration or farm-ready use. Number 2. A 1966 Ford F600 with a hydraulic dump grain bed in Wheatland, Wyoming, rust-free. V8 powered and with a 2-speed rear end, it's clocked just over 52,000 miles. Mechanically sorted with a clean title, ideal for landowners or rural restoration fans at $4,500. At number 3, this 1989 Ford F350 dually in North Glen, Colorado with only 51,200 original miles and a monster 460 V8 under the hood, this truck means business. Comes with new front tires, plus 6 spares. It's a clean titled, smooth shifting workhorse yours for $4,500. Number 4. A 1972 Ford F-250 project truck out of Otis Orchards, Washington. It's a 2-wheel drive with a manual transmission and a 360 volts 8 non-running. But it's had some engine work done, new starter, plugs, and carb, no title. But just $1,000 for a solid platform. Number 5. A custom 1975 Chevrolet C10 from Moses Lake, Washington, inspired by backfab. It features a frame cut and 350 motor with TH350 Autotrans. It smokes on startup. And the body's rough. But with new parts already added, it's priced at $2,800, a real rat truck project. Number 6. This 1983 Chevy K10 4x4 long bed from Brentwood, California. Sold as a non-running project, it's mostly original, complete, and comes with a clean title. Registered non-op and untouched for about 3 years, it's a great revival candidate for $4,200. Number 7. Check out this 1987 Ford F-150X LT Lariat in Columbia Falls, Montana. A nearly all-original 5.0-liter V8 truck with the FI and cruise control. Runs strong with a newer engine, but needs some fixes: window motor, shift cable, and fuel tank switch. All yours for $2,500. Coming in at number 8, a 1989 Dodge D150 Ram 4x4 from Basehurt, Kansas. Runs great with a 318 V8 and auto transmission. Brakes, tires, lights, and stereo are new, though the body and interior need attention. At $2,500, it's a solid Mopar project truck. Number 9. For diesel lovers, this 1983 Ford F-250 4x4 in Thorndale, Texas. Features a 6.9-liter diesel engine and 4-speed manual with Granny Low. Currently not running but has good bones and a clean title. Tires are excellent. Yours for $4,000. Number 10. A dependable 1989 Nissan D21 hardbody in Sacramento, California. This compact 4x4 has 120,000 miles, a 4-cylinder with a 5-speed, and new tires and brakes. Fully original and clean titled, it's a reliable classic for just $3,900. Number 11 is a real oddball, a 1958 Ford Temps from Veneta, Oregon. British styling with a flatbed and original 4-cylinder engine, not running, no title, and plenty of rust but at $895. It's a rare gem for serious restorers or vintage commercial truck collectors. Number 12, a 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 in Central Point, Oregon. This beast has a 5.7-liter V8, turbo 475 automatic, and only 62,000 miles. Recently tuned and runs strong, everything works, and it's ready to haul or cruise for $3,600. And finally, number 13, a 1989 Ford F250 from Redding, California, powered by a 460 V8. This gas rig runs strong and shifts smooth, new tires, clean title, and smog passed as of June 2025. Minor flaws like cracked glass and broken AC, but for $6,500, it's a powerhouse classic.